In the book, The Courage to Heal, on page 111 and 112, it talks about this woman named Dorianne. She herself was a victim of child abuse. And now she runs seminars for young women on sexual abuse and has written stories and poetry about the incest that she experienced as a child. She inspired me because she said that she did not want to be anonymous and that victims, survivors of child abuse are often silenced into shame. They are told to be quiet about their experiences. However, time's up for me to be silent. I was a victim, and I am a survivor. My abuse started when I was 5 or 6 years old. And the last time the person that molested me touched me, I was 19 years old. He pinched my breasts. I remained silent about the abuse until I was 43 years old. That was when I told my parents. Time's up for silence. There's no shame for the victims, for the survivors. And you do not have to be shamed into silence. Time's up for me to be silent. I am Paula Hines Lonergan. If you'd like to discourse, write me a comment or feedback in the comments section below this video. If you want to write me privately, send me an email at timesupforsilence@gmail.com. If you want to write an old-fashioned letter, my mailing address is below. Truth.